The last time we left off at if then else. Now we are going to see wait until. So over here I have a wait until touching mouse pointer, and let's just say hello for 2 seconds. Let's try this. Wait. We don't need this distraction. Notice the cat isn't saying hello until I touch it. Now it says hello. Alright. Let's continue. Now let's see repeat until. Repeat until will repeat an action until the condition is satisfied. For example, repeat until touching mouse pointer. Say timer. Say, where's our saver? Say timer. Yeah, let's see this. So you'll say the value of the timer until I touch it, and then it will exit the loop, which means that I touch it 2.25 seconds after I click the green flag. Now let's continue. Stop all will stop the code. All the code actually. For example, when the green flag is clicked, alright, this timer will learn about it later. And this touching mouse pointer also. Say that if timer is greater than 10, stop off. Now let's see. So you'll stop all the code after 10 seconds. Which, if you don't believe, well, you can try this. Stop this script will stop the script that is currently running. This is useful when you create your own blocks. And on the other hand, stop other scripts in Sprite will stop all the other scripts in the Sprite. For example, if we do this and when the green flag is clicked, we do that one. Let's not touch the cat. Look. 2, 3, oh, sorry, I forgot one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this code stopped running because this code is true and will stop the other codes in this Sprite. Now let's see the when I start as a clone. We'll need create clone of myself as well. Let's just go ahead and create clone first. Right. You can delete all the clones by clicking the red flag. At first, nothing seems strange at first, but then you realize that there are 2 cats now. And you can also do, for example, when the green flag is clicked, and there'll be some code for the clone. For example, go to random position. Where is it? Oh. Now a random clone will spawn. You can also create the clone of other sprites, but we'll cover that one in variations of. Delete this clone will delete a clone. For example, we can wait a second and delete the clone. Repeat 10 times. Now there are 10 clones, and after 1 second they all disappear, except for the original cat. Alright, we are now finally going into sensing. Touching mouse pointer or H will sense if it's touching the. So for example, if then else touching H, then and say 1, else say 0. Let's see. I'll say 0. Right now it's saying 0 because it's not touching the H, but when it touches the H, it will say 1. Alright. Or you can also use mouse pointer. Now it's saying 0, but when I touch the cat, it says 1. Now, what about touching color? It will change depending on whether it's touching the colors given. So, for example, let's just go and draw a red box. Wait. Oh, never mind. If you're familiar with Scratch, you should know how to draw a red box. But let's just say replace this with touching color red and click the green flag. Now it's saying 1 because it's touching the red. Its whiskers are touching the red. And if any part of it touches the red box, then it will say 1. Right, we don't need that, and that. Now let's see if color is touching color. I've made another sprite over here. So let's now change it to if color is touching color. If color, this is touching this. So I need to drag this to touch this, and only then will it say width. Alright, anyway, that's kind of like what that code does, but you have to ensure that they are the exact colors, and sometimes you lag. Alright, so now let's go to distance. Distance will measure the distance to the mouse pointer, or will measure the distance to the mouse pointer. So for example, you can always say distance to mouse pointer. The distance to mouse pointer. When it's nearer, Scratch Cat says a smaller number, and when it's further, Scratch Cat says a larger number. Alright, so that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe.